It is an awesome morning. We just finished a big project yesterday, and here with the semi lowboy, and then actually over here I got a loader that we're going to be lowboying out of here, and just a nice feeling knowing we got this project done. And looked bleak a week ago, that's for sure, but the weather held out just enough that we were able to get it done. I'm gonna grab that loader. I'm kind of in a hurry this morning because there's just a little bit of frost and it's not gonna hold that long, and I wanna get that loader out of the field so I make the least amount of mess on the road. I got a shovel with me, and I just wanna make sure it's all cleaned up pretty decent before I leave. Okay, last little bit. I got a shovel here. We're gonna shovel a little bit of mud that we got on the road, and we should be out of here. Oh, what a nice feeling. And a nice day. It is gorgeous outside. Now the easy part, just drive home. Oh, it is such a nice feeling just sitting here, just knowing we got a big project done. And yeah, so if you notice today's video is a little short, just lowboying a loader, nothing real special. Well, that's because we had such a busy last like 6-7 days. And here we are at 10:30 in the morning on Tuesday, and I'm gonna run home, bring this home, throw this video together real quick, and then we're off to the next project. So that's why if it's a little short, that's why. It just has been super crazy. Later on, I'm gonna go more in depth. We filmed a lot of this project. I'm gonna go another week or two. I'm gonna be a lot more in depth on this project and what we did, etc. But for today, today's Tuesday. Today's that weekly release date. And maybe later in the week, I try to get something else out. We'll see. I got a whole bunch of stuff from old Ford pickups to farming to spreading to just that busy time of the year. Even though it's February, this is actually one of our busier times of the year. This late winter, early to midwinter, late winter. This year feels like late, even though it's mid. Today's February 20th. But yeah, so anyways, not that moving a lowboy is over anything too crazy. I always think it's cool. It's one of my favorite things to do. It really is. I just love doing this. I got to do something kind of cool, and hopefully you see this a little later. When we were doing this project, I actually got to work with my godson Trevor. We got him in the tractor spreading, and yeah, just kind of cool. So with that, I'm gonna start heading back home and start putting this together. Just got home. So what's crazy is now I got to jump in this truck and do some other trucking, but we're just going to take a moment and savor it, because it's always a nice feeling to get the loaders home. Still got one more loader I got to move, but just knowing this is home, nice way to end the day.